Oh, Mackenzie.
Hello.
Mackenzie. I don't even know where to start with you.
Who cares?
I know. We're not even gonna bring that up. I don't know. What
are you
happened
even
today?
talking
I don't
about?
even know. What? I'm crazy.
She's weird.
Yeah, I'm so weird. Okay, but really, can we hang out tomorrow? Because you already told me to do something, so now you can't go back on it. Like you already said it. So
I thought today we should go to the fair, but she said we go there all the time.
Okay, we literally just went to the
but
fair.
Like, we have fun times there, like 10, 5, you know. Like.
I seriously, what? 110? There wasn't even a 10.
Wait a minute. I think I saw a 10 yesterday.
Anyways.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
We got off subject.
Yeah, well, I miss you and I love you. I adore you all the time.
We love you.
Ew, this is such an awkward position.
I know, like, what?
Do you see? I'm like hunched over.
Well,
I hope your night is okay, and please don't.
You're kind of ugly.
Be sad.
Just kidding. I love you.
Don't say that, because then they're gonna think we're.
But that's like something Mackenzie would tell me. Like,
oh yeah,
Brittany, you're freaking ugly. Like, get out of here.
We hate you. Like, I hate you. Why are we even friends?
No one likes you.
Okay, that's it. We have other videos to make for more important people.
Yeah. Sorry.
So, yeah, fuck you. No, just kidding. I love you. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.